Allrecipes member R. Villalar shares this recipe for chocolate chip cookie ice cream cake. A perfect recipe if you're looking to make a special cake for someone you love. Allrecipes member Brookie Goo notes that it's a very flexible recipe that can be easily tailored using different flavors of cookies and ice cream. Let's get started by making the crust. You'll need an 18-ounce package of small chocolate chip cookies. Place half of the cookies, about 20, into a resealable bag. Seal it and use a rolling pin or saucepan to crush the cookies into crumbs. Transfer the crumbs to a medium bowl. Pour a quarter cup of melted margarine or butter over the cookie crumbs and stir them to combine well. Transfer the crumb mixture to a 9-inch springform pan or pie plate and press evenly into the bottom. Stand the remaining cookies around the edge of the pan, facing them out. Allrecipes member Mom of 2 suggests leaving a little space between cookies to make it easier to slice the cake. Spread 3/4 of a cup of hot fudge topping over the crust. Place the pan in the freezer for 15 minutes to set the crust. Meanwhile, soften 1 quart of vanilla ice cream in the microwave or on the countertop. Of course, you can substitute any flavor of ice cream you'd like here. After the crust has chilled, spread the softened ice cream over the fudge layer and smooth it out. Freeze the cake for another 30 minutes. Next, scoop another quart of ice cream into balls and arrange them over the ice cream layer. You can stick with the same flavor or do what Allrecipes member Aaron Corey does and let your kids choose 2 different flavors for their birthday cake. Cover it with parchment or wax paper and freeze until it's firm for at least 4 hours or overnight. When you're ready to serve the cake, gently remove the rim of the pan. Drizzle the cake with a 1/4 cup of hot fudge topping. Top that with a cup of whipped cream. And 12 maraschino cherries. This chocolate chip cookie ice cream cake was really fun to make and cost a lot less than a store-bought ice cream cake, says Runnin' Nut Deb. You can change up the cookies, the topping, and even the garnish. The possibilities are endless.